This video walks you through how to change an employee's job title in Gusto. If you are already signed in to Gusto, begin from the main dashboard and look to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. From there, click People. This opens the area where employee records are listed, so you can move into the profile you need to update. In the People section, find the employee whose job title you want to change, then click that employee's name. This takes you into the employee profile, where their details are organized into sections. Once you are in the profile, go to the information area and click Pay. That will bring you to the page that contains compensation details for this employee. Scroll down until you reach the compensation section. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct section before making changes, since this is where the job title is edited. At the upper right of the compensation section, click Edit. Gusto opens the Edit Compensation window, which contains the fields tied to the employee's compensation record, including the current job title. In that window, click the Job Title drop-down. A list of available job titles will appear. Select the employee's new job title from that list. If the title you need is not available, click Create Job Title and add it there, then continue with that new title selected for the employee. After choosing the new title, review the job start date shown in the form. Also look over the other compensation information that appears in this window. This is a good point to confirm that the details shown match the change you intend to make before you save anything. If your setup requires it, enter a reason for change in the field provided. Some accounts may use this to document why the update is being made, so include the appropriate reason when needed. When everything in the form looks correct, click Save. Gusto will apply the update and return you to the employee's compensation details. If the page takes a moment to refresh, wait for the updated information to appear before checking the result. To confirm the change, look again at the employee's compensation section and verify that the new job title is now displayed there. This final check helps make sure the update was saved to the correct employee profile and that the compensation record reflects the new title. Thanks for watching. The employee's new job title is now updated in the compensation section in Gusto.